This is Colorado living at its finest. This mountain retreat has a walk-around deck with expansive mountain views, floor-to-ceiling windows offering Colorado sun year-round, and wood-burning stove setting the tone for your winter wonderland. This beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath home has a loft and unfinished walkout basement to make your own. Sitting at 1,800 square feet and just under 1 acre, this home sits in the Pinewood Springs neighborhood, tucked and nestled between Lyons and Estes Park.